So as most of you know, 2 weeks ago we took the crew cab short bed lightning build out to have a water leak fixed on it. Well, they called today, said it's ready to go, so we're fixing to head out there in the 450 and go pick it up and see what it looks like. We're going to give these new tunes from Tyler over at Calibrated Power Solutions a try and see what happens. Let's roll. So, Tyler over at Calibrated Power Solutions got us fixed up with some tunes on the 450. Driving it all stock has not been the most fun thing in the world. So, now that we have some tunes and we can go faster than 88 miles an hour, it's a whole lot better to drive. I actually picked up a little fuel mileage with it. Pete, don't everybody want to see your butt, man. Sit down. There you go. Who else has a riding dog that goes with them?
He goes everywhere.
Yeah, better put on the old seatbelt so he'll stop yelling at me.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
So technically, there's two crew cab short beds sitting over there.
Yeah, Seth has one over there and I have one over there.
You stole all the plans for mine, so I got to build mine different now.
Yep, you got to be a whole different ball of wax than me. And I guess some people don't know that we stopped doing the mechanic side of things. We still have trucks and we still tinker with trucks and we still sell parts and make parts, but we stopped doing the actual physical mechanical work. So got a good friend of ours and buddy that runs Resurrection Automotive here in town. He's ex-Ford tech, knows these trucks forward and backwards, so no better candidate and perfect choice to have him do some work for us. And he's usually pretty quick at things, so he was our #1 for getting this truck fixed up. Called us today and said it's ready to roll, so we're gonna go pick it up.
Yeah, so you've got that truck, you've got the Bronco. Chris has got his Super Duty, F Super Duty.
Yeah.
I've got my dually, the farm truck.
And your crew cab short bed.
And crew cab short bed that's probably going to get turned into a crew cab short bed dually.
And then my Centurion.
Yeah.
Which I found another one the other day that might come home to live with me. So.
Yeah, that would be two extended crew cab dually Centurions.
Both with under 200,000 miles on them.
And the exact same paint job with one color change.
Two color changes.
Oh.
It's blue and silver, and my one I've got now is tourmaline green and tan.
Yeah, same seats, same heated and cooled cup holders. It's ridiculous.
Oh.
Doesn't ride too bad for a 450.
No, especially with a trailer on it.
Yeah. Yep.
I mean, it'll get down the road. I mean, there's 95 right there.
It's illegal, sir.
Ah, illegal schmeagle.
Pete.
Where we at, brother?
Pete, what are you doing?
Shut up. Stop and grab a few things out the stash real quick.
Gosh dang.
prefers gangster rap.
Yeah.
I mean, he usually requests it. See, no matter where I'm at, if Laker turns on, I'm gonna look, because you ain't gonna lose me and leave me someplace. Dropped it yesterday. Hopefully no more water leak. Get some brake clean and get under here and everything will brake clean. Take care of it to the car wash and pressure wash it. That way I can see how many leaks it has on 364,000 miles.
Yeah.
Pete, you ready to be YouTube famous? Pete the shop dog.
Yeah. Hey, what's that over there? Look at that. That is beautiful. Not the dumpster, the truck back there.
Same thing.
Ouch. Isn't that where you insert like a Ford joke or Power Stroke joke or something like that?
Everybody has their thing. 7.3, slowest thing on the planet. We're gonna see how slow we can go in this crew cab short bed. Turtle power.
Yeah.
So I'm supposed to have switch on the fly tunes in this thing, and I've been too lazy to put my switch in, so we're just running on the race tune. But I can no longer stand 88 miles an hour in this thing, so we had to do something about that.
Yeah, but you know, 88's faster than any speed limit, you know.
That's a relative thing, I guess.
Speed limit's just a suggestion, right?
Exactly. Our co-pilot here. Tell him. We're going back to work?
Nah.
You want to go back to work? Tell Seth.
We'll go get some tacos or something.
Ain't that the truth? No, I'm trying to be good. I'm trying to be on a diet, not eat tacos.
How well has that worked out for you?
I've made it about a day so far. Tell you what, with these, even though it's a race tune, this thing is way more fun to drive, and it's got a whole lot smoother shift points than than it had before. So been very pleased with it. Amy over at SPE hooked me up with a switch mount for the thing. And I guess I should really stop being lazy and get my H&S intercooler pipe on the thing too.
Probably.
Yeah. Zane, if I put my intercooler pipe on, will you bring out the race truck again? Everybody wants to see the OBS race truck. I mean, those of you who want to see it again, comment on the video.
Those of you that don't know what it is,
we'll interject
sorry.
We'll interject a picture.
Yeah.
Seth will show. I tell you what, we'll even interject a clip of one of the videos.
Oh boy.
Seth, you're gonna have to do some magic.
Well, should be able to make it happen. Wide turn.
Good thing I got a 450. Tight turning radius.
Yeah, I mean the only reason you got a 450 is because so you can haul more OBSs home.
Exactly. I have to steal Chris's 40-foot trailer so I can go get 2 at the time. Mine's only 28 foot, so I can only get 1 crew cab long bed. So it is what it is.
Yeah. So we're pulling up on the offices.
Right on the
Headquarters.
Square.
It's right there. Right there. Right beside the museum. It's never open. Except for like today, I think. Is it today?
Wednesday through Saturday is when it's open.
Yeah, so pretty much never. And there's the Paw truck.
With my hitch on the back.
Your hitch?
That's my hitch.
I thought it was his hitch.
That's my hitch.
Dang.
That was for my Bronco, and then he needed to borrow it to go do something, and then I hadn't got it back yet. So
yeah.
You see where it's still at.
Well, I know it plows driveways and fields a lot.
Yeah, everywhere you go. All right, well, that concludes our video for today. Don't forget to always like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us for updates on this build and many more.